Our new Aristorod MIG Welding wires feature a uniquely engineered surface for consistent, trouble-free feeding, low contact tip wear, excellent arc start properties, extremely low spatter, and an exceptionally stable arc. These properties translate into less downtime and superior weld appearance with minimal post-weld cleaning. These wires are excellent for high-efficiency production applications, including robotic applications. Get Aristorod and a 100% satisfaction guarantee only from ESAB, the Welding Authority.